my young explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 13th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Transformation of Sentences 1. So इस chapter में we are going to read about the transformation of sentences, right? That how they are done. So, let us begin with the chapter and see what they are telling us. We have studied about word, phrase, clause and sentence. कि हमने पढ़ा है word, phrase, clause और sentences के बारे में. We can expand words into phrases and phrases into clauses. कि हम वर्ड्स को एक्सपैंड कर सकते हैं फ्रेजेस में और फ्रेजेस को एक्सपैंड कर सकते हैं क्लॉजेस में. ऑल्सो वी कैन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्लॉजेस इनटू फ्रेजेस एंड फ्रेजेस इनटू वर्ड्स. साथ ही साथ हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं क्लॉजेस को फ्रेजेस में और फ्रेजेस को वर्ड्स में. बाय डूइंग दिस sentences can be transformed into number of ways. ये करने से sentences जो है वो transform किए जा सकते हैं number of ways में. To convert a sentence from one grammatical form to another without changing its sense or meaning is known as the transformation of the sentence. कि अगर हमें एक sentence को convert करना है ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्म से किसी और फॉर्म में विदाउट चेंजिंग इट सेंस, हमें उसका सेंस चेंज नहीं करना है, ना ही मीनिंग बदलना है, उसे हम कहते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंस, राइट? दिस इज एन एक्सीलेंट एक्सरसाइज इन लर्निंग टू एक्सप्रेस एन आइडिया इन सेवरल डिफरेंट वेज. कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है ये पढ़ने का, समझने का कि हम कैसे अपने आइडियाज को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं अलग अलग तरीकों से. इट लीड्स टू वैरायटी इन रिटन एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश. कि ये हमें वैरायटी प्रोवाइड करता है रिटन और स्पोकन इंग्लिश में, राइट? सो सबसे पहले वी हैव इंटरचेंज ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. तो हम कैसे पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को चेंज करते हैं, सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं. सो इट इज बाय चेंजिंग अ वर्ड इनटू नाउन. अगर हम एक वर्ड को नाउन में चेंज कर दे तो सो इट इज द शर्ट कॉस्ट 600 rupees. The cost of the shirt is 600 rupees. She solved the puzzles easily. She solved the puzzles with ease. He is very careful about his work. He does his work with great care. Next, we have by changing the word into an adjective. कि अगर हम एक word को adjective में change कर दे तो. So the examples are, this table is made of wood. This is a wooden table. She sang beautifully. She sang a beautiful song. The morning breeze refreshes one. The morning breeze is refreshing. Next we have by changing a word into an adverb. कब जल्दी से अगर हमें एक वर्ड को एडवर्ब में चेंज करना हो तो उस केस के एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. The robbers were beaten without mercy. The robbers were beaten mercilessly. He walked the ramp with grace. He walked the ramp gracefully. He drove the car with great care. He drove the car very carefully. Right? Next is by changing a word into a verb. अब जल्दी से इस वर्ड को वर्ब में चेंज करते हैं. So it is, he did not do it intentionally. He did not intend doing it. He forcibly entered the office. He forced his way into the office. The clown provided us enough amusement. The clown amused us a lot. Next we have removing the adverb to. अगर हम to adverb को remove कर दें तो, right? So it is, these dresses are too cheap to be good. These dresses are so cheap that these cannot be good. She is too weak to run about. She is so weak that she cannot run. The music was too loud not to be heard. The music was so loud that it could not be that it could be heard well. Next, we have inserting the adverb to. तो अब adverb to को insert करना है. So let's say it is, he is so clever that he cannot be cheated. He is too clever to be cheated. Next, the case is so clear that it does not require any witness. The case is too clear to require any witness. The load is so heavy that it cannot be lifted. The load is too heavy to lift. Right? Next, there's interchange of degrees of comparison. तो अब हमें degrees of comparison को आपस में interchange करना है. So it says, a sentence belonging to one degree of comparison can be changed to another degree of comparison without changing the meaning. एक sentence जो belong करता है to one degree of comparison, उसे change किया जा सकता है to another degree of comparison, right? Without changing the meaning, बिना उसका meaning बदले, right? So it says Rohan is as strong as Asif, which is a positive form. So it is changed into the comparative form by saying Asif is not stronger than Rohan. Right? Next, Shreya is not so slim as Rani, which is in the positive form. और इसी सेंटेंस को कंपैरेटिव में चेंज करने के लिए वी हैव रिटन रानी इज स्लिमर देन श्रेया. बटर इज नॉट कॉस्टलियर देन चीज, विच इज इन द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म. इन द पॉजिटिव फॉर्म अगर हम इसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो इट इज चीज इज एट लीस्ट एज कॉस्टली एज बटर. Few wrestlers are as strong as Khali. This is in the positive form again, but इसको comparative में change करने के लिए it is Khali is stronger than most of the wrestlers. No other wrestler is so strong as Khali. This is in the positive form. But in the comparative form it is Khali is stronger than any other wrestler. Now next is Suhana is the most beautiful girl in the city, which is in the superlative form. Suhana is more beautiful than any other girl in the city. The comparative form, no other girl in the city is so beautiful as Suhana, which is in the positive form. Few cities in India are as clean as Chandigarh. So this is in the positive form. Chandigarh is cleaner than most of the towns in India. This is in the comparative form. Next, Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state in India. This is in the superlative form. Uttar Pradesh is more populated than any other state in India. This is the comparative form. No other state in India is so populated as Uttar Pradesh. This is the positive form. Milk is not the most nutritious drink. This is the superlative form. Milk is not more nutritious than some other drinks. This is in the comparative form. Some other drinks are perhaps more nutritious than milk. This is in the comparative form. Some other drinks are not less nutritious than milk. Again, this is also in the comparative form. Some other drinks are at least as nutritious as milk. This is again in the positive form. Peach is not one of the most popular fruits. This is the superlative form. Many other fruits are more popular than peach. This is again in the comparative form. Peach is less popular than many other fruits. This is in the comparative form. Peach is not so popular as many other fruits. This is also in the positive form. Right? Now next, we have interchange of negative and affirmative sentences. अब बात करते हैं नेगेटिव और एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस के इंटरचेंज के बारे में. So, it is possible to cross the sea. It is not impossible to cross the sea. The blade is sharp. The blade is not blunt. He attended the extra class. He did not fail to attend the extra class. He was quite sure about it. He was not at all unsure about that. He is stronger than me. I am not as strong as him. Mehak is the best girl in the class. No other girl in the class is as good as Mehak. As soon as the police came, the robbers ran. No sooner did the police came than the robbers ran. I was doubtful of her victory. I was not sure of her victory. We should tell the truth. We should never tell lies. Everyone is in the school. There is no one outside. He is too weak to stand up. He is so weak that he cannot stand up. The teacher likes her all pupils equally well. The teacher does not like her pupils more than others. The fridge is empty. There is nothing in the fridge. Khushi is walking. Khushi is not running. Next thing that we have is interchange of interrogative and assertive sentences. So, जल्दी से बात करते हैं about the interchange of interrogative or assertive sentences, right? So it is, he has finished his homework. Has he finished his homework? Old people don't like noise. Don't old people like noise? You were told to wash uniform. Were you not told to wash uniform? Brave soldiers never die. Do the brave soldiers ever die? Everybody wants to live a comfortable life. Who does not want to live a comfortable life? It does not matter if I am absent. What if I am absent? It does not matter though we are few. What though we are few? It is foolish to put the hot food in the fridge. Why put hot food in the fridge? I can tolerate it no longer. How can I tolerate it no longer? I was not chosen to harm my friends. Was I chosen to harm my friends? Right? Next, we have interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentences. assertive और exclamatory sentences को हम कैसे change करते हैं? How beautiful the girl is. The girl is beautiful. What a beautiful flower Rose is. Rose is a very beautiful flower. That we should meet after months. It is strange that we should meet after so many months. Oh, that I were a fish. I wish that I were a fish. Alas, he died. It is sad that he died. That a soldier should show his back. It is shameful that a soldier should show his back. Next, interchange of principal and subordinate clauses. तो अब principal clauses को हम subordinate clause में कैसे change कर सकते हैं, interchange कर सकते हैं, let's find out. So it is the man who built this star has died today. This star was built by the man who has died today. No sooner did the teacher come in than we stood up. We stood up as soon as the teacher came in. The robbers did not give in till they were all dead. The robbers were all dead before they gave in. I never go to a place which I don't like. Next, I always go to a place which I like. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear about this and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.